So we know that when we move from the ones place to the tens place, we need to multiply by 10. Now, when we move from tens to hundreds place, we again multiply by 10. From hundreds to thousands place, the digits again get multiplied by 10. And from thousands to 10,000s place, the digits again get multiplied by 10. Now, if I further multiply by 10, I need to move one place to the left. And this place is the lakhs place. So this place to the left of 10,000s place is the lakhs place. This is equal to 10 times 10,000s. So this is how, as I keep on moving to the left, I multiply by 10. Now this 99999, this is the largest 5-digit number. What is the next number after this? The next number after this will be this. That is, all the 9s will change to 0 and this 9 will change to 10. But this is 10,000s. So 10 cannot accommodate in one place. We cannot have two digits in one place. So this one will shift to the left and it will come to lakhs place. And now this number is actually equal to 1 lakh. So this is 1 lakh. So this one represents 1 lakh because it is in the lakhs place. If I have a 1 here, I call it 1000. If I have a 1 in the hundreds place, I call it 100. Similarly, if I have 1 in the lakhs place, it represents 1 lakh. So this number, that is 1 followed by 5 zeros, is 1 lakh. Now look at this number. This number has 6 digits. 572938. Now, what if I write this number as 75298? Will it be the same number? No, these two are not the same numbers. The digits are the same, but the numbers are not the same. So, in any number, not just the digits, but the position or the place where the digits are placed is also very important. If I change the place, the number changes. So, what matters in a number is where the digits are placed. So, in this number, 8 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tens place, 9 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the thousands place, 7 is in the 10,000s place, and 5 is in the lakhs place. If I interchange the places, the number itself changes. So what is important is the digits along with the place where the digits are placed. That is the position where the digits are placed. Now, what do these digits stand for? So 8 is in the ones place. This means that the value that 8 represents is 8 into 1. 3 is in the tens place. So it represents a value 3 into 10. 9 is in the hundreds place. So 9 stands for 9 into 100. 2 is in the thousands place. So it represents 2 into 1000. 7 is in the 10,000s place. So the value is 7 into 10,000. And 5 is in the lakhs place. So it is 5 into 1 lakh. So this is what it is. So 5 represents 5 into 1 lakh. 7 is 7 into 10,000. 2 is 2 into 1,000 and so on. These are the values of the different digits in this number. So now if I multiply this is what we get. So the value of digit 5 is 5 lakhs. The value of 7 is 70,000. The value of 2 is 2,000. The value of 9 is 900. The value of 3 is 30. And the value of 8 is 8. Now what are these values that I am talking about? These values are actually the place values. So these are the place values of the different digits in the number. So place value of a digit depends on the place where it is in the number. So these are the different place values of the different digits in this 6-digit number. These are the place values. So the digit multiplied by the place where it is put. So 5 is in the lakhs place. So 5 multiplied by 1 lakh is the place value of 5. Now let us look at this number, and this is a 6-digit number. So let us take the different digits and write down their face values and place values. Now we have 8. What is the face value of 8? The face value of any digit is the digit itself. So the face value of 8 is 8, because the face value does not depend on the position or place of the digit. It is the digit itself. It never changes. What is the place value of 8? The place value is the digit multiplied by the place. 8 is in the ones place. So place value will be 8 into 1. That is 8. What about 3? The face value of 3 is 3. Now 3 is in the tens place. So the place value is the digit, that is 3, multiplied by the place. So it is in the tens place. So 3 multiplied by 10, that is 30. Now I have 9. The face value of 9 is 9. So you see, for writing the face value, I don't even need to check where 9 is placed in the number. It is the same as the digit. But what is the place value of 9? Place value of 9 is the digit 9 multiplied by the place. What is the place where 9 is put? Hundreds. So 9 into 100, that is 900. Now the next digit is 2. So the face value of 2 is 2, and the place value will be 2 into the place. 2 is in the thousands place. So 2 into 1000, that is 2000. Now what about 7? What is the face value of 7? And what is the place value of 7? So 7 is in the 10,000s place. So the place value will be 7 into 10,000, that is 70,000. 7 followed by 4 zeros. And what about 5? The face value of 5 is 5. And the place value of 5 is 5 into the place. 5 is in the lakhs place. So 5 into 1 lakh. That is 5 lakh. This is the place value of 5. So these are the different digits in the number. These are the face values, the same as the digits. And these are the place values. So you see, place values depend on the position or place of the digits. Now, the same digit can have different place values in different numbers. So if I look at the digit 3, In this number, that is 3. The place value is 3 and the face value is 3 because 3 is in the ones place. In this number, that is 37. 3 is in the tens place. So the place value is 3 into 10, that is 30, and the face value is 3. In this number, 329, 3 is in the hundreds place. So place value will be 3 into 100, that is 300, and face value will be 3. Similarly, in this number, 3538, 3 is in the thousands place. So it represents 3 thousands. So the place value is 3000, but the face value is 3. Similarly, in this number, 3 is in the 10,000s place. So the place value is 30,000 and the face value is 3. In this number, 3 is in the lakhs place. So the place value is 3 lakh and the face value is 3. So we see that the face value never changes. It is always equal to 3. But place value of the same digit, that is 3, it varies depending on where 3 is placed in a number. So the same digit can have different place values in different numbers. Now this is a 6-digit number. So can you tell me what are the place values of different digits here? So what is the place value of 4 here? 4 is in the hundreds place. So the place value of 4 will be 4 into 100, that is 400. Now what is the place value of this 5 here? Can you tell me? This 5. So 5 is in the lakhs place. So the place value of this 5 will be 5 into 1 lakh, that is 5 lakh. This is 5 lakh. So the place value of this 5 is 5 lakh. Now what will be the place value of 6? Place value of 6 will be 6 into 1, that is 6. Now what is the place value of this 5? So we see that there are 2 5s. What is the place value of this 5? 5 is in the tens place. So the place value will be 5 into 10, that is 50. What about this 2? What is the place value of this 2? 2 is in the 10,000s place. So the place value will be 2 into 10,000, that is 20,000. And what is the place value of 0? The place value of 0 is always 0. Because 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So 0 into 1000 will be 0. So the place value of this 0 is 0. So these are the different place values of the different digits in this number. So we see that 0 always has a place value of 0. Place value of any digit can be obtained by multiplying the digit by the place where it is put. And place value of the same digit is different depending on the position where it is placed in the number. So this number has digit 5 repeated twice, but in both the places, the place value of 5 is different. In the tens place, the place value of 5 is 50, but when 5 is in the lakhs place, the place value is 5 lakh. So the place value of a digit depends on the place where it is put, and it is different in different numbers. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.